Okay, so continuation of the topic, and exit stage nothing else but, and if your relationship is good and understandable and making a trust towards your partner, and it will be good enough. And if you are having an improper relationship, and it may lead to the termination phase or termination stage, so that is called as a uncertainty reduction theory. And next one is a interpersonal relationship model. So what is a model here means, and others to self and self to others. So in the interpersonal relationship means what? So others to self. So here, so whatever the individual awareness of a partner's attitude is there, that he is going to be exhibit towards himself and towards the others also. And self to others means, and what is your self awareness towards the other person. Okay, so that are the two differentiation what they explained, others to self and self to others. So what others are thinking about you is others to self, and self to others means what you are thinking about the others is called as a self to others. So that they are divided assistive polarity. So this assistive polarity is differentiated into three types. So that is assistive attitude. So assistive attitude nothing else but, see here, assistive attitude consisting of actions and behavior which are in favor of other person. Okay, and resistive means what? And actions and behavior of individual against by the other person. So here they are explaining that, and what is your attitude towards action of other person is called as assistive attitude, and what is your attitude towards other person is called as a resistive attitude. Okay, and level of intentionally. So intentionally nothing else but, so you are doing intentionally towards the other person, that is hypotelic level of intention. So hypotelic level of intention means unawarely you are spoiling the relationship with the other person. So that is called as hypotelic level of intention. And telic level of infection nothing else but, so doing something clearly about the individual and stop the other person, and when he is doing certain activities, so that is called as telic, by knowingly he is doing the information. Okay, and the third one is a degree of autonomy. So degree of autonomy, again it is going to be divided into three types, that is, so two types, that is autonomous agency and a proxy agency. So autonomous agency nothing else but, okay, so here autonomous agency means, so whatever the two partners' personal wishes, choices, and interests are there, so that the third party is not going to be involved. Whatever the problem solving skills are there, the person is going to be solved in within themselves. Okay, that is called as autonomous agency. And proxy agency means what? Proxy agency means the third person will involve in the relationship of the person. So that is called as a proxy agency. Okay, and that is regarding of theories of interpersonal relationship. And next one is the role of communication and the interpersonal relationship. So what the communication is said to be the basis of every interpersonal relationship. So if you maintain the communication only, you can able to easily so make a relationship between other person. That is one of the role. And second one is we have to reduce the misunderstandings of the individual. So you have to adjust with the situations. That is second one. And third one, they are communicating that, and whenever you are making a relationship, the modes of communication, the techniques of communication you has to follow. So that is very very important. Okay, and next one, take care of your tone and pitch. So whenever you are conveying with the other person, and it should not be too loud or too short, soft, and you should be clearly conveying your information to other person. And choice of words is important in relationships, because the words will not be come back, and if you have lose one word, wrong word to the other person, so that is very important to mischoicing of the word. Okay, and next one is an individual must interact with other person regularly for the relationship to grow and reach the next level. So what they are saying, that whenever one person want to have and given information and continuous communication, it has to be given or grow to the other person. That is also very very important. And next one is be polite. So polite means, and whatever the information given by other person, and you should not be abused or fighting towards other person. You should be free. Talking of relationship is very very important. Okay, and also try to understand the other person's point of view. So when communication was going on, so the listening carefully is very very important. Interrupting the listener, interrupting the speaker is also obstruct the communication. That is very very important. And the individual can also communicate through the emails, nothing else but like aviates or some of the internet concept. You can able to give the information in the role of nurse. So that is regarding of therapeutic communication and interpersonal relationship. Thank you.